So I'm always scared of like the unknown parts that I don't know about Jira, and data center scares me a lot. But I
Okay.
actively try to stay away from it because I like as much as I love Jira and as much as I portray that I'm really good at Jira.
Mhm.
Um, help me out here. That scripting thing that we have, that
The scripting thing?
the script runner.
Oh, script runner.
Yeah, that scares the crap out of me. I
Oh,
every
that
time
that
I,
that's where I live.
I
I
quiver.
yeah.
I quiver at script runner, not because I don't think I'm not good at it, but because I feel like I have to learn it. And so my biggest fear right now is everything I have to learn. And I don't know why, because I've learned Jira so well, but I'm scared to learn and fail at new things, which is why when we said let's do the DevOps, I'm like, that's a great opportunity. Because that's why I started the YouTube channel for Jira. Because three years ago, 3.5 years ago, I was in the exact same boat. I'm like, how am I going to teach people Jira when I don't know Jira that well?
Mhm.
And so I invested 12 hours a day on learning how to use Jira to the point where I mastered Jira. And I
Yeah.
did it, and then I made the YouTube channel to document the 12-hour learnings and then put it on the internet. So I figured, well, let's do DevOps so that I can now force myself to learn Git properly and learn how to freaking merge branches properly without screwing up all the code.
Ah,
And I feel like it's the best way to learn, right? So right now, I embrace every way I could possibly fail, and my perspective on failure has changed a lot. I watched this podcast with one of the early folks at Facebook, and he said he spent like $1 million recently learning on an experiment that didn't pan out for him. And he
okay.
wasn't even phased by, I mean, granted, he's got like $4 billion,
Yeah.
but he wasn't phased. He's like, oh, I just spent $1 million to learn how not to do that way. And so I'm been embracing failures a lot more, and I'm kind of putting myself out in situations that can make me fail more.